If you'd like to see how I did these super easy soap bottle DIYs, then just keep on watching. So the main thing you're going to need are some amber bottles with pumps. I got this set off Amazon for $10. You also need some Mod Podge and a foam brush to apply it, some printed labels on cream colored paper or cardstock, and lastly, totally optional, but I found having a paper trimmer was really helpful. To start off, I'm just using my paper trimmer to make it really easy to cut the labels out. I had room for 6 labels, so I decided to just fill up the whole sheet and have some extra labels ready in case I messed up. Now that you have your labels cut out, it's time to attach them to your bottles. I didn't do much research beforehand, so you can learn from my mistakes, but I believe that you should actually coat the bottle itself with Mod Podge instead of just applying it to the back of the label like glue like I'm doing here. This still ended up working fine for me, but I had to go back and add some more Mod Podge to get the corners to lie flat. After you've adhered the label to the bottle, you then want to seal the label with the Mod Podge. So all you have to do is paint a layer of Mod Podge over the top of the label and around the edges. Mod Podge is a pretty good sealer by itself, and it's slightly water resistant, but to be honest, after a few weeks of using my soap bottles, I'd say that they're not quite waterproof enough to keep the labels in perfect condition. So if you care about that, you might want to look into some kind of spray acrylic sealer or printing vinyl labels, which will definitely improve the longevity of this DIY, but it will be a bit more costly. After letting everything dry and cleaning up the Mod Podge with warm water and soap, then you're all set. Fill up the bottles with whatever you want, and now you have a very aesthetic set of bottles to complete your kitchen, bathroom, or wherever you'd like to use these. I hope you found this video inspiring or helpful, and thanks for watching.